Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video we are gonna share with you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection at the extra of security when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers, all subscribers. If you are new on this channel, you are highly welcomed. On this channel we always share apps that can help you to secure your connection at the extra of security when you are using the internet. So for today's video, the app we are going to share with you, it's on Google Play Store. So open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps, and when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app. The app is known as Facy Tunnel So the app is known as Facy Tunnel VPN. And on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection at the extra of security when you are online. So among the presented, you pick this app as you can see right here. So you take note of the app name, you take note of the app icon, and after doing that, install this app on your device. And after installing the app, open it to do some settings. And as we open the app, just in case you are new on this channel and you have not yet subscribed on the channel, you are missing a lot. Please you take this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And when you subscribe, you will not miss any of our future coming content. So when you reach in the app interface, you are required to set it up for it to work. So tap on the three lines. From here you pick update config, and when you tap on update config, this VPN app will start to check for the available updates, and it will update to the latest version to provide you with the best service when you are using this app to secure your connection. And after doing that, you are required to pick a connection method. So from here you will be required to pick All Countries UDP as your connection method. This is because UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. In case your country supports UDP, this option will work for you, and UDP is fast and secure when you are browsing the internet. So in case UDP it's not working in your country, tap right here, pick your country name, then you can be able to connect and you will be able to secure your connection. So after picking All Countries UDP, for the sake of this video, pick All Countries UDP. The other setting is add time. So come down here where you see add time button, tap on this button, hold the prompts, and then you add on the connection time. This is done so that you cannot run out of time when you are using this app. Please note that in case you run out of time when you are using this app, it will stop working. So to avoid disconnection interruptions when you are online, please you add on time, and this app will work seamlessly with a lot of time of securing your connection. And after doing that, the other setting is to ensure a super fast and a secure connection, and to add an extra layer of security when you are online. Simply tap on this start button, and when you tap on this start button, your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up Facy Tunnel VPN to get a fast and secure connection, extra protection when you are online. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And